If you're into AI writing or coding, stick around because OpenAI has launched a new feature called Canvas that could change the way we collaborate with AI, especially for complex projects. I've gone through everything from demos to behind-the-scenes details, and I'm here to break it all down for you. Let's dive in. If you've ever used ChatGPT to write an email or generate code, you might have noticed that it excels at simple tasks but struggles with longer, complex ones. OpenAI is aware of this and has introduced Canvas, an entirely new interface that enhances ChatGPT's capabilities. With Canvas, you can work alongside AI in a side-by-side format. Instead of typing commands into a chat and waiting for responses, you get a dedicated workspace where both you and ChatGPT can fine-tune ideas together. You can generate text or code directly in Canvas, highlight sections for the AI to focus on, and get suggestions, edits, or even complete rewrites. So how does it work? Right now, Canvas is rolling out in beta for ChatGPT Plus and Teams users. If you're on the enterprise or education plans, you'll get access soon. Eventually, it will be available to everyone, even on the free tier. But for now, you've got to have one of those paid plans to use it. To use it, either manually select GPT-4 with Canvas from ChatGPT's model picker, or, interestingly, ChatGPT will detect when Canvas might be useful for a project and automatically open the window for you. For example, if you're writing something lengthy or working on complex coding tasks, Canvas will pop up. For my writers out there, this is a game changer. During a demo, OpenAI's product manager, Daniel Levine, showed how you can use Canvas to generate emails. Instead of getting it in the normal chat format, it opens in the Canvas window. From there, you've got tools at your fingertips. If the email is too long, there's a slider that lets you adjust the length, making it shorter or longer. You can highlight any specific sentence and ask ChatGPT to make it sound friendlier or even add emojis. You can also convert the entire email into a different language directly within Canvas. One really cool shortcut is something called the Final Polish option. This checks the grammar, clarity, and consistency of your draft, making it ready to send or publish without combing through every word. Think of it as having an editor at your fingertips. If you're working on something more in-depth, like a blog post, ChatGPT can suggest inline edits, point out improvements, and even rewrite sections. You can toggle between different versions of your text, so if you don't like the changes, you can revert to a previous version. Now, for those focused on coding, this is where Canvas really excels. We've all used ChatGPT for quick coding fixes, but it's not always ideal for larger projects. OpenAI has integrated features in Canvas that enhance collaboration in coding and improve tracking. When you generate code, it shows up in the Canvas window, and you can immediately add comments for inline documentation. Highlight a section of the code, and you can ask ChatGPT to explain what that block is doing or answer specific questions. They've also added a review code button that looks at the entire script and suggests specific edits. If ChatGPT finds a bug or sees room for improvement, it will make those suggestions, and you can approve, tweak, or reject them. If you approve, ChatGPT will try to fix the code itself. You're not just getting help, you're actively collaborating with the AI to enhance your project. So what's next for OpenAI and Canvas? This beta version is just the beginning. They plan to make Canvas even smarter and faster, improve accuracy in detecting edits, and likely add more advanced features. If you're excited about what Canvas can do, try it out if you're on Plus or Teams. For everyone else, stay tuned, as this feature will roll out to all users once it's out of beta. That's all I've got for today. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe Money Mind AI if you haven't, and let me know in the comments what you think about Canvas. Are you going to try it out? I appreciate you watching, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video.